See how Cubana Chief Priest was welcomed in his hometown in Imo State, and this is massive, guys. The things Cubana Chief Priest said in this video is going to blow your mind. The question is he really going to do it? Now take a look.
Insecurity hit our children, but finally we're back home. There is peace, maximum tranquility. Look at what we built. See, this time, nobody can send me away from what I've come to do for my people.
One of the things that he said is that in the past, when he wanted to build mansion and build roads, give his people a better life in his community, he was chased away because of insecurity and a lot of challenges. But now, this time around, he has come back to finish what he started. So according to him, he said that he's not going to have all the money that he has, knows all the president that he knows, the commissioner of police, even celebrities, and yet his community is looking like a forgotten community. No, he said that everybody should come back this Christmas, that he is right there in his village, that everybody should come and celebrate, that it's going to be back-to-back feasting and celebration. So enjoy the rest of the video and make sure to feed your eyes.